Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then tap on I accept and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you feel like it. When you finished, you need to click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time though, select the Save Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. Then when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!